Hi students, welcome to the video lecture of Modeling and Analysis Lab. So now we'll solve experiment number 12, that is stress analysis of a rectangular plate with a circular hole. So this is the first experiment in part B. Aim is to, in plate with a circular hole under plane stress, find a deformed shape of hole and determine maximum stress developed. So this is the figure given. Young's modulus is given as 2 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per mm square, and a rectangular of 100 into 200 mm. Diameter of 40 mm is of the hole, and pressure of 200 Newton per mm square is applied. Now let us solve it in the software. So first you need to go for preferences, see structural, preprocessor, element type, add, edit or delete, add. Here you need to take solid. By default chord 4 node is selected. You need to say OK. So in element type there is another one option you need to work for this particular problem. So after adding the element you need to go for options, element behavior, you need to say plane stress with thickness. So this is what the real constants we will be adding here. Say OK, say close. Now we'll go for real constant, add, edit or delete, add, say OK. So thickness is been asked, thickness is of 10 mm here, say OK, close. Now go for material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. So here 2E5 is the Young's modulus given, say OK and close this window. If you see 2 into 10 raised to 5 is the Young's modulus given in the problem. Now in the modeling there is a change here. So in the previous problems we used to create the nodes and elements. Here we are creating the areas. So go for option area in modeling under create. So here I need to create a rectangle. So by dimension I will say, you have three options, I will say by dimensions. So here it is asking x1, x2 coordinate and y1, y2 coordinate. So x1 coordinate is 0 and in x direction it is 200. In y1 is 0 and y2 is 100. So you will get a rectangle here. Now I need to create a circle of 40 mm diameter. I will go for circle option and here I will say solid circle. Here I need to enter the x and y coordinates and I need to enter the radius. As you need the circle at the midpoint, so in x direction it is 200, midpoint of 200 is 100, that is 50% of 200. Similarly in y direction it is 100, so 50, so that midpoint will be here and radius is 20 because diameter is 40. Say OK. So the circle is created here. Now I need to create a hole. So how to create a hole? You need to go for the option operate. Here you need to go booleans and say subtract and select areas. I again repeat booleans, subtract, in that I need to select areas. So here if you see, I need to pick or enter, base areas from which to subtract. So base area is nothing but rectangle, so I am picking it, say OK. Now pick or enter base areas from which to, now you need to say OK. Now what you need to do, you need to select pick or enter base areas to be subtracted. So circle need to be subtracted. Here you need to select next and say OK and say OK again here, so that circle is created here. Okay dear friends. Now I'll go for meshing option to create the nodes and elements. Here you need to go for mesh tool. Here you say smart size and bring this to fine. Now say mesh and select the rectangle, say OK. So the meshing is done here. So this is a coarse mesh. So you need to make a finer mesh. So I'll go for again mesh tool. Here I'll go to option refine and I'll go for a option here, pick option. There is single, box, polygon and circle. I'll select a box and I'll create a box like this so that all the elements are get selected. I'll say OK. So refinement I'll say 2. Refinement I'll say 2 and I'll say OK. So the finer mesh is I got here. So you close this mesh tool. Now I'll go for boundary condition, that is loads. So if you see here, this end is fixed here. So what I will do, I'll zoom this particular model. So and I will move this upwards. You need to select you need to move this like this using this option. So you need to roll the mouse pressing the control button to zoom. Later you can use this option to move left and right. Now it is easier to select the nodes. If you want, again you press control and you roll the mouse. Okay, now I will apply displacement on nodes. I'll go for box here again and I'll select these corner nodes. So when you get this pink color, you leave it, all the nodes will get selected. Say OK and say all degrees of freedom, say OK again. Now I'll move the diagram to left side. Now I'll apply pressure on nodes. Again I'll go for box. Say OK. Here it is minus 200, okay? Minus 200. So on nodes, again I'll need to select here just to confirm whether it is 200 or not. I went there. So say OK. Minus 200 you say because it is acting towards right. Say OK. So now say fit. Now I'll go for solution current LS. Say OK. Now I will view the result. I'll go for general post processor, plot results, counter plot, element solution, stress. Here you need to check von Mises stress, say OK. So if you see here stress is coming 745 and maximum displacement is 0.2. These are the results which are required as far as this experiment is considered. If you want the results still closer, you need to go for refinement of mesh to 3. Okay, so this completes this experiment. Thank you very much.